What's up, YouTube? So I know I'm not the only one who as a kid tried to drink water when it was raining, right? And you know, it was kind of hard because it comes by droplets, so you can't really taste it, see what it tastes like. So today, I'm gonna set a cup outside and let it fill up with water, and I'm gonna record my live reaction to how it tastes and see what happens, all right? Now, I'm really excited because I want to see how it tastes. I always wondered, is it gonna be radioactive or if it's gonna taste clear? Shoot, I'm just gonna do a little taste. I'm not gonna chug the mess, but it can't do any harm, so let's go do it. I got my cup. I'm gonna sit it outside where the rain is at, right? It's raining pretty rough outside today. As you can see, it's going AWOL out there. So I'm gonna set my cup outside and let it fill up for a little bit. And when it's filled up a good amount, I'm gonna take a little sip and see what it tastes like. Okay, so let's go. It's loud out here. Stinky cup. Alright, I'm gonna take it to the garage where it's more quiet. Alright, but I'm in the garage now where it's a little bit more quiet, and I got the water here. You see I got a pretty decent amount. It's not too much, not too little. It's a drinkable amount. So I'm just gonna take a kind of tiny test to see what it tastes like. I don't know what it's gonna taste like. Shoot. It smells like water. It has a little weird smell to it, but alright, I'm gonna do a tiny thing. It has a weird taste. Whoa! What the? You're tripping, son. You're tripping. Don't drink rainwater, please. You'll play yourself. Don't do it.